Hey guys, thanks for watching. This is a quick unboxing video of the Northern Ridge low profile cargo basket. It's made out of steel that is powder coated for protection and can hold up to 220 pounds. It includes the hardware that should fit most crossbars and the wind fairing to reduce drag and wind noise. You can find this at Princess Auto and it sells between $139.99 to $199.99. It's made out of 2 pieces and it's super easy to put together. Put the plates at the connection point, make sure the holes line up properly, slide the 2 screws through, place the nut on the opposite side, and use the Allen key to tighten them. Then repeat the steps on the opposite side. The cool thing about this is that you can slide the brackets up or down so that they line up with your crossbars. I did a test fit on the factory crossbars installed on our Toyota RAV4 and it worked out perfect. This will allow us to bring more stuff with us on our road trips this summer. If you found this video helpful, please remember to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and catch you on the next video.